This episode is brought to you by twolinedmusichutstore.com. Twolinedmusichutstore.com is your all access to culture. Check out cultural merchandise like leggings, hats, mini boxing gloves, and bags. Also t-shirts like hip-hop, nature, rock bands, reggae, and dark fantasy. Fast shipping worldwide. That's twolinedmusichutstore.com. Now let's check out this episode.
Then now, even in the side of Agony, I go on now. I used to link up with Garnet Silk and them man there. Them man they always look at me and say, yo, you can't hear me, Angel, and I sing them song they like that. You know, I think you have a more better work for you to do around here, you know. Because sometimes even when we go to some shows over in a different countries like Bermuda and them place there where Garnet would be on the shows and would have me remember them time them always I run go do my part I work first before Garnet coming up. And when me run go do my part and perform my everything and play smash up and everything, but within myself I was not comfortable.
Got you.
Because I just feel like said there was something else for me that is better for me to do than just say no on the Agony. You know what I'm saying? And
Got you.
In that space of time now, I start build some conscious lyrics. And it's so when I start build the conscious lyrics within the vibes of Agony and the conscious lyrics them, that's how I got awarded for top female DJ of the year for Jamaica and top 2 years straight and top international female DJ for Canada. Yeah, because after Agony is like a 360 thing goes go around so.
Because you even think there with you brought it up already, Garnet Silk, but I know how you probably linked with Garnet is through Roof Studio with Courtney Cole and Barry O'Hare and those guys over there.
No, it's not true. Roof Studio. I link up with Garnet Silk, you know.
Talk to me.
I want to tell you, say I used to live at Remlick Way off Mullines Road, and Tony Rebel was just around the corner over in Patrick City. And I remember I used to walk through a little path, like just to go over to Tony Rebel. And we used to link up with Tony Rebel around by Patrick City, and Garnet Silk used to be there.
Okay.
Yeah, and then man, there's some man when me just look up to and respect, and them respect me the same way. Yeah, all of them. So we are, and just yesterday we link up, we are come from far. Yeah.
So you met him again when you're over at Roof Studio? He was
yes.
Or you just made it?
We don't really meet. It's like it's like a sister and brother thing I got through now, cause we become things like family. Because all of us in the music in Jamaica, once we link with each other, we're like family. You go on my yard, me go on your yard, we link up, we go on a river, we go any little where we want to go. And no intimacy, no in a that. It's just platonic. Yeah.
Even again, give me one memorable moment you remember with Garnet Silk. One moment that you'll never forget forever with Garnet Silk.
Is when Garnet looked at me and said to me, say, you can't name Angel and a DJ them song, you know, you have to do something different to uplift and motivate the people, you know. And I started looking into myself, and I said, but wait, my name Angel, which means heaven the messenger. So that means I may have to go do some messenger now to uplift and motivate, you know. So that was part of the vibes that really strike me a lot with Garnet. And it's when I was in New York. When I was in New York, I heard that he passed on, and it was so sad. Because we had just left Bermuda, like in a couple of weeks before. And I was just going to New York to do some recording and then to head back to Jamaica, and only heard the news that he had passed on. Yeah, that was sad, and it is still sad.
But he came to do a job, even if his only job was to plant a seed in your heart. He came and did the job already, even if that was
yes, he did.
Job. You understand? You know what I mean? One other person that passed lately, I know that you did some work with them, Lee Scratch Perry. How did you guys connect?
Lee Scratch Perry, no. Lee Scratch Perry, he and his wife, they came to Jamaica and they were saying that they love the song Agony. And someone has given them my number and they called me and say they want me to meet up with them at Bobby Digital Studio. So I went to Bobby Digital Studio and they played the song that I could hear it. And then they put on the lyrics there. We put on the lyrics there, like a bad lyrics there. But Lee Scratch Perry is so amusing. Them kind of person, they him amusing. He make you laugh. And if you don't really know him or you get to know him, you will feel like say him a disrespect you, but him just do the things them just to make you laugh.
Yeah.
Yeah, he was amusing. And yes, his wife was there and thing and yeah, I advise the song for them and them sign up a little contract and then pay me part of my money and tell me the rest of the money supposed to go towards the royalties and them thing there. So yeah, that was a very amazing job, you know, and I will never forget working out with Lee Scratch, you know. Yeah. See, sleep in peace, Lee Scratch. Yeah, go on the general. Great ancestor right now. Rastafari, yes, I am.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.